You take a decision कि okay, I'll play the rest of my career with this and I'll try to move from here to the next level by doing well at this place. So whatever you do, if you decide to join a college, तुम XYZ college भी join करते हो, make sure that you commit to the course. Right? Even if you go to a 60 percentile college, your target should be कि मेरे को इस रूम में बैठा दो, मार्केटिंग के बारे में कुछ भी पूछ लो, बगल वाले रूम में अहमदाबाद का टॉपर को बैठा लो, ask him anything about marketing, you will get the same answer from us. मेरे को यहाँ पे बैठा दो, एक फाइनेंस प्रॉब्लम पूछ लो, आई एम अहमदाबाद, आई एम बैंगलोर के टॉपर्स को नेक्स्ट रूम में बैठा दो, उनसे एक फाइनेंस प्रॉब्लम पूछ लो, आंसर सेम मिलेगा तुमको, बिकॉज यू गोइंग टू स्टडीइंग द सेम सब्जेक्ट्स. Whether you go to an NTPC School of Business, or you go to a New Delhi Institute of Management, or you go to a TFI, or you go to a Wellingkar, or you go to IIM Ahmedabad, if you're studying finance, you're studying finance. If you're studying marketing, you're studying marketing. The subjects are going to be the same. The books are going to be the same. So if I was in your place, I don't get what I want and I have decided I move on, then I commit myself completely to what I'm doing. That's point number one. And then have this thumb rule. 2 years later, you put me in a room and give me a marketing problem, you will get the same solution that the IIM Ahmedabad guy is giving. तो अगर वो तुम truth बना लेते हो, then the corporate sector will find you. You will find your place in the sector. और अगर तुम mediocre रह जाओगे वहाँ पे and you don't do your academics well, you don't understand the business scenarios well, then nobody can help you. अगर mediocre रहने का choice लेते हो, you can remain a mediocre throughout your life.